now we shall see this. See the exercises. We'll directly go to the exercises.
यूयं
If
के
yes,
वयं छात्राः.
very good. Vayam chhatraha. Very good. Second question.
युवां तौ आवां कर्मकरौ.
Very good. Okay. So avam karmakarau karmakarah. Okay. So or avam balakau, anything like that. Okay.
एतौ किं कुरुतः?
तौ पठतः.
Very good. Tau pathatah, etau pathatah, etau kridatah. Any kriyapada in dvivachanam. Yes, please continue.
एते किं कुर्वन्ति?
ते गायन्ति.
हरितानि तृणानि कुत्र सन्ति?
हरितानि तृणानि वने सन्ति.
Very good.
त्वया साकं कः आगच्छति?
मया सह रामः आगच्छति.
Very good. Maya saha, maya sakam, maya sardham, maya samam. You can use any of these. So you can retain sakam also. Just replace with the kaha in the answer. Or if you use the other word equivalent to sakam, there is no harm. It is also correct. But all that we should remember correctly is whenever there is a question, in the question, if it is Yushma Shabda, we'll have to correctly change it to Asmat Shabda. That is something which we should note. So Maya Sakam Janakaha Agachati. Here in this sentence again, as I explained just before, Janakaha Agachati. Janakaha is the Karta in this sentence, and Agachati is following this word, Janakaha. And hence it is in Prathama Purusha only. So though we use Maya, which is Asmat Shabda, it is not directly relating to the Kriyapada, and hence Kriyapada will not be changed to Uttama Purusha. Okay, continue.
युवाभ्यां सह के पठन्ति?
आवाभ्यां सह बालकाः पठन्ति.
Very good. Balakaha pathanti, satirthyaha patanti. Yes. Last question.
युष्मान् के पाठयन्ति?
अस्मान् अध्यापकाः पाठयन्ति.
Very good. Very good. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. So one thing is we should whatever is there in the textbook, like yuvabhyam saha ke pathanti, avabhyam saha satirthyaha pathanti is the line also in the textbook. We can try to remember and use that itself. But in otherwise, if you also write any other word, balakaha pathanti, etc., if it is grammatically correct, it should be fine. But some of these sentences have already been there in the textbook in the lesson. So let us try to remember that and write and practice these exercises. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Well answered. Now you can answer these.
अहम् आवां वयं
Very good.
केन काभ्यां कैः
Right.
निन्दति निन्दतः निन्दन्ति गायति गायतः गायन्ति सः अस्ति स्तः सन्ति एषः एतौ एते.
Very good. Uttamam. So please continue practicing it. Well said, well answered. Dhanyavadaha. So we shall go ahead. So this main is to remember the forms that is in Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana and write it. So I hope there was no doubts or anything in this. Hope you had tried to answer these exercises. Okay, now let us see this.
मह्यं कार्पासानि वस्त्राणि प्रियाणि. Question form. तुभ्यं कीदृशानि वस्त्राणि प्रियाणि.
Very good. Tubhyam kidrushani vastrani priyani. That is also right. Tubhyam kani vastrani priyani is also correct. So in this case, kani vastrani priyani, which clothes do you like, or which kind of clothes do you like? Kidrushani. So both of these are correct. So you can write either of these. Okay. Very good. Next question. I shall read the question. You can answer the questioning sentence. Eshaha tantuna malam rachayati.
एषः केन सह मालां रचयति.
Eshaha kena saha is not needed. Eshaha kena is sufficient. Okay. So why do we use kena when we know? So eshaha malam rachayati. Why do we use kena? Kena is to get to know the answer. With what is he doing it? With what is he doing this activity or this task. Rachayati creates, he creates a garland by using what you're asking. So kena is used. So kena here, in general, okay, in general, if we are not knowing the answer, that is with respect to which linga the answer belongs to, you have a choice to use the questioning word in any of the lingas, in pullinga, strilinga, or napumsakalinga. Tvam ka ahvayati, tvam kaha ahvayati. Both these questions you can ask. Based on the answer, the person who hears the question, he will know who has called him. Then he can say, Mam adhyapakaha ahvayati or Mam adhyapika ahvayati, etc. So while asking the question, if you are not sure about what would be the gender of the answering word, you can in general use either pullinga or in some cases you can also use napumsakalinga, but not restricting only to that. You can also ask the question in strilinga, but based on the answer, the person will answer it in the corresponding linga. So here kena is again in napumsakalinga, kim ke kani, kena kaphyam kaihi. So by what? That's what he's asking. So tantuna, tantu is a napumsakalinga word. Tantu ukaranta napumsakalinga. So so the tritiya vibhakti is tantuna because it is an instrument in this act. So here we are not using saha. Okay. Yes. Next question. Mam Gaurishah ahvayati.
त्वां कः आह्वयति?
Very good. Tvam kaha ahvayati. Kaha Gaurishah ahvayati. Very good. Last one. Tena vina trinamapi na chalati.
केन विना तृणमपि न चलति?
Very good. Kena vina trinamapi na chalati. Tena kena. Okay. So that is the beauty of Sanskritam. So whichever vibhakti word we want to get that answer, okay, the same vibhakti questioning word we will have to use. Kaha kauke, then similarly kam kau kan, etc. So in this case, okay, we will see this sentence, the previous sentence. Mam Gaurishah ahvayati is the question. So we will try to see instead of the Gaurishah word being underlined, if it was Mam being underlined. Can you try? What would be the answer?
त्वां
Think about it and ask. So what is the question intended here? Whom did Gaurisha call? Okay. So the answer is Mam. Okay. Whom did Gaurisha call? That is the question. Gaurisha, which vibhakti is Mam in?
मां
Aham avam vayam, Mam ma avam nau asman naha.
द्वितीया विभक्ति सर.
That is right. So Mam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Now we want a question which can get a Dvitiya Vibhakti answer. So what will be the question now? Think, even you try it out. So even if it is wrong, don't worry. I shall correct you.
किं गौरीश आह्वयति?
Kim Gaurisha Ahvayati is okay. You can take it. Or yes, Kim Ahvayati. Kim Ahvayati means what will he call? Okay, what will he call? That will be the sentence. If you're also wanting to know if it is a person, okay, animate object or it's a person, then you can also ask Kam Ahvayati.
कम गौरीश आह्वयति?
Kam Gaurisha Ahvayati or Gaurishah kam ahvayati. You can also ask this way. Okay, kam ahvayati. Then Gaurishah mam ahvayati will be the answer, or Gaurishah ramam ahvayati. Gaurishah tvam ahvayati. So someone asked. So one person sitting next to you will ask you, whom did he call? So suppose say we are in a classroom or in some function we are attending somewhere. So you will just hear some voice. Whom did he call? You will ask. So the answering person can say he called me, or he called you, he called that person, etc. So kam ahvayati, Gaurishah mam ahvayati, Gaurisha calls me, or Gaurishah tvam ahvayati, Gaurisha is calling you, or Gaurishah ramam ahvayati, etc. So this way, any question based on the vibhakti, what we are looking, we'll have to frame the question based on that. Okay. So anyway, well recited and well answered. Dhanyavadaha. We shall go to the next main. So which is straightforward and easy. Let us see. पर्याय पदानि लिखत. Write the synonyms of छात्रः.
शिक्षकः
Synonyms means the meanings. Chhatraha means student, right? So in some any other word in Sanskritam that you know, we had also discussed in the class in the lesson. I shall show it. So Shishyaha or Vidyarthi is the synonym for Chhatraha. Okay, can you try for the second one? Mahila,
महिला स्त्री
Stri, Vanita, or what we had seen in the class. So it came for the third one. Okay, Vanita or Lalana. Okay, so I've given out the answer for Janakaha, which is Pita. I shall give out the answer for Ambaram. Ambaram is Vastram. So please make note of these Paryaya Padani for these four. Okay, we shall go to the next main. Yes, can you identify the Linga, Vibhakti and Vachana?
Yeah. Mitraya, Pullinga, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Ekavachana.
Okay, so Mitraya, it comes both in Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Here we are referring to the word that we had learned in the class, which is Mitram. Mama Mitraya, Aurnam Vastram Priyam, etc. Right? So Mama Mitraya, here friend, it means friend, so it is Napumsakalinga. But Mitraha, if you consider it to be a Pullinga Shabda, that is Surya, then it is Chaturthi Vibhakti again. Okay, so Vibhakti is Chaturthi and Ekavachana. Okay, very good. Can you try the next one?
Vane, Napumsakalinga.
Right.
Prathama Vibhakti or Saptami Vibhakti.
Very good.
And then Dvitiya Vachana.
Okay, so if it is Saptami Bhakti, then it is Ekavachanam. If it is Prathama or Dvitiya Bhakti, it is Dvivachanam. Okay, so we will consider it as Saptami Ekavachanam. Trinani, that is Haritani Trinani Vane Santi. Okay, next one. Etaihi.
Etaihi Pullinga.
Okay.
I'm saying Tritiya Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam.
Very good. Pullinga, Bahuvachanam and Tritiya Bhakti. Very good. Next, last one. Tena.
Tena, Pullinga, Tritiya, Ekavachanam.
Very good. So these two last two, right? That is Etaihi and Tena can be both Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. So whichever you write, it is correct. So, but yeah, according to the Shabda and like which Linga you choose, according to that, you will have to also give out the Vibhakti and Vachana correctly. Dhanyawadaha Mahodaya, well answered. Okay, we shall continue. Fill in the blanks. So use the correct form of the word that is given to use it. Dash Saha Ramaha Vanam Gachati. Sita is the option that is given. What form of Sita, which Vibhakti will be correctly used here? Can you try out? That is right.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
That is right. Can you tell the form?
Sitaye.
Sitaya. Okay, it is Sitaya. Right.
Sitaya.
Yes. Whenever we use Saha, Sakam, Sardham, Samam, any of these four, the corresponding noun will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Yeah. Can you try the next one?
Lakshmanena.
Very good. Lakshmanena. Next one.
Janena.
Right. Janaihi. Janena, Janaihi, both of them are correct. Janena, because Jana is in general many people or something like that. So Janai Saha. Janaihi Samam. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Next, Suta.
Sutaya.
Very good. Suta, Sutaya. Next again, Dash Rama Saha Ramaha Hasati.
Sitaya.
Very good. Sitaya Saha. Last one.
Mitrena.
Right. Mitrena Samam Balakaha Kridanti. Mitraihi Samam Balakaha Kridanti. So it should be in Tritiya Bhakti. There is no restriction on the Vachana basically. So along with friends, if you want to say Mitraihi, along with a friend, one friend, then you will when you use Mitrena Samam. Okay. Yes. Dhanyawadaha. Well answered. So we shall proceed further. So these were the questions from our exercises. Hope all of you have done and understood how to do this, and there are no questions or queries. Okay.